Today we're going to be looking at verbs, and on the top is a reminder what a verb is. Verb, it's what you do, so it's an action word. You're going to read through each of these sentences and you're going to find what the action word is, and then you're going to highlight it with your yellow rectangle. So let's do the first two together. The first one says, Anthony is throwing the football. Okay, I look through that sentence and I'm looking for what is the action word. What is he doing with his body? So Anthony is not an action word. Isn't, throwing. Can you throw with your body? Yeah, you throw with your arms. So I'm going to take this yellow rectangle over here. I'm going to move it to the beginning of my word, just like that. And then I'm going to take my mouse and come to this middle box so my mouse turns into a double-sided arrow. Let's watch that again. Here's my regular mouse. I'm going to move it right over top of that middle one so it becomes a double-headed arrow. I'm going to click and hold my mouse and then drag it. You see how it has that little line that shows you where the box is going to be. I'm going to drag it to the end of that word, and then I'm going to let go of my mouse, and then I just highlighted the word throwing, and that shows me that the word throwing is the verb. Okay, let's do one more. Mary visited her friend for a while and then went home. Okay, so I'm looking through this sentence and I'm trying to find the verb. I see that visited is something that you can do with your body. So I'm going to take this yellow rectangle, I'm going to put it at the beginning of the word. Then I'm going to take my arrow and I'm going to put it right in the middle. You see how it changed to a double-sided arrow? Watch one more time. Just like that. I'm going to click and drag it to the end of the word and then let go. So I just highlighted it. Now if you happen to mess that up and you maybe grabbed this one by mistake and then it got really huge and you didn't want to highlight all those words, there's an undo button right here at the top. Do you see the arrow that's going backwards? And if I hover over it, it says the word undo. If I click that, then it just undoes what I just did. So I can fix my mistake, go to the right one this time, and then release to highlight the word. Okay, there are more for you to practice here on the left. When you get to the last one, you may turn it into Google Classroom.